Buongiorno! Spring is coming and a bit of willing to go back home in Italy bring us to prepare today Strozzapreti. This recipe I learned from a guy from San Marino, and it was so long ago that I have forgotten even the name of this guy. But this is not important. You will find a lot of different recipe with or without egg. In this recipe we have 1 egg for 400 grams of flour and 4 spoons of water or 120 milliliter of water. That depends also a lot on the flour you use. Some use whole wheat flour, somebody mix it, so this is pretty easy to prepare. The word Strozzapreti, the word strozza in Italian means to choke or strangle, and the word preti means priest. It makes one thing. The name of this pasta is supposed to have been handed down by way of myth from the Italian region of Emilia-Romagna, but we will see that all over Italy you will find different kind of strozzapreti. And of course the name brings us numerous stories, customs, plays, recipe and jokes. To make strozzapreti, after you knead the dough, leave it to rest covered for around 20-30 minutes. Once you spread on your working table a thick and homogeneous sheet of pasta dough, cut it in stripe 1 centimeter wide, then you twist this among your palms with a sharp and quick movement. Homemade strozzapreti are rarely uniform in size and shape. You should be getting pasta strings that may differ in length and or thickness, but that adds to their appeal. Fantastic appeal. They are cooked in boiling water and traditionally dressed with a meat ragu, but you can prepare also vegetable sauce or seafood sauce. This pasta is fantastic for any kind of preparation. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will not lose any recipe and any stories. I want to go back a little bit about the legend of the Strozzapreti that comes basically with in the area where the pontifical state were in the 16th, 17th, 18th century. And like many other Italian pasta types, there are a number of stories about the origin of Strozzapreti, which apparently existed even in the 14th century. The one I like, the story I like best, claims that this pasta got its name during the time when the Catholic Church owned a great deal of the land in Romagna. The church rented it out to the farmers. The farmer's wife would often make the local priest a pasta dish as a form of rent payment. The husbands, obviously angered by this practice, wished the priest choked while he was stuffing himself with the pasta. Another legend explains and confirms that the name points to the buckle on a shoe that was made with a long curly leather, then used to strangle the priest in the day of the pontifical state when the people were in rebellion against the power of the church. Another theory is that the greedy priests liked so much this particular type of pasta that they ate it too quickly and choked themselves, sometimes to death. Whatever its origin, the name seems to reflect a certain amount of anti-clericalism among the people of central Italy in those days. I have to remember you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I want to go back to different kind of strozzapreti you can find in Italy. The same pasta is made diversely in different zones of Italy. In Trentino, up north, the strozzapreti are gnocchi made with stale bread, spinach, egg and cheese, served with melted butter and sage. In Milan, they add a soft cheese to the recipe. In Umbria, it is an elongated square-shaped pasta made from flour and water. In Lazio, Roma area, the Strozzapreti are spaghettoni cut by hand and served with a layer of tartufo, of truffle. In the city of L'Aquila, they resemble thick cores made with semolina and are about 20 centimeters long. In the Salento, they have become potato gnocchi. In Calabria, gnocchi made with flour, egg and salt. As you see, there are a lot of variation and a lot of stories about this fantastic, easy to do pasta, and I hope you will enjoy a lot. Until next time, see you then, buon appetito, ciao!